Hey everyone, welcome to another new video. This is Stay Outside and Explore. Today we're looking at a Honda Harmony 2 lawnmower. We bought this in January at an estate sale. They said it ran. We paid like $100 for it. We're gonna use it for ourselves. I'm gonna clean it up, but I'm more curious to see if it's gonna start. They said the last time they shut it down, it did run. It says easy start, overhead cam. So I just wanted to take look at a few things first before we start it up. Like, obviously, check the oil. I don't want to run something that doesn't have oil in it. And you can see it looks pretty clean. The person that had this said they took really good care of this. So I know we have lawnmowers that still run. They're looking a little shabby. So the wife said, let's get something that's not too bad. So we're going to look at the filter now, the air filter, and see. All right, I got to see now how. Impossible. Wow, it looks really clean. Look at that. Incredible. Yeah, they said they took care of this. I can see that they did. So that's a good sign. All right, so let's put it back. It goes this way. Yep. Don't mind the gunshots in the background. We live not too far from a gun club, so there's people, you know, sporting clays, practicing. All right, I know there was, I checked before, really no gas, so I got some gas here. I'm gonna put it in. It's almost getting to be that time of year where put the snow blowers away and start up with the lawnmowers. So all right, there's gas in there. I don't see no primer bulb. Shit, some of these engines have a primer bulb. So let's see. Choke it. Blade control. Let's see how many times it takes for us to pull this over. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. It said, oh, maybe this is backwards, so let's see. No, that's right. So I know there's gas in it because I just put gas in it. Maybe I gotta put a little more gas in it just to get it going, because it's sat for a while. All right. The other thing I'm gonna check is the spark plug. Plugged in, yep. All right. And while we're at it, let's see how clean it is underneath. Well, not too bad. Needs a little cleaning. All right, let's try it again. Neighbor guy's getting his Harley out. All right, I'm gonna put this camera down so I don't drop it. Camera. Sorry about that. All right. Let's try and all right. Probably need a little more work than I thought. Put some starting fluid in the carb and see if that works. I'm going to shut you off for a minute here. Alright, I put some starting fluid in there. Let's see. Well, she starts. That's keep going. More stirring fluid in there. Maybe it needs a new carb cleaning. Spray a little carb cleaner in the gas. Spray some more. Give it another try. I wonder if they just didn't shut it down properly last fall. It just needs a good carb cleaning. Yeah, I'm not gonna, I'll have to tear into the carburetor and see what's going on there. Look at the spark plug and stuff like that. And it maybe just needs a little cleaning. So we'll end the video, part 1. I'll resume part 2 when I'm in there taking the carburetor apart and cleaning it up. Might be a jet that's clogged up or something like that. So appreciate everyone watching. You'll have to stay tuned for the part 2 video on me getting this thing. I don't have time today to take it apart. So appreciate everyone watching. Hit subscribe. Appreciate it. And we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.